During 2022, Sanjib Chakraborty, the Managing Director of Hurco India, spoke about affordability and adaptability. After 3 years, when they are organizing Hurco Takumi Open House during April 2025, the discussion is on smart technologies for precision machining. So let's find out more about this in this shift. How is the preparation is going on?
Oh my God, we are doing very good. In fact, it's a full swing now. We have shortlisted the machine and our partners also started coming here to install their equipments. So we are full swing. We are very excited to attend this thing.
So what's the objective mainly behind this Smart Technologies Day 2025?
If you see this word smart is being used in everywhere nowadays, and when it is a machine tool, I have seen that machines are getting available now from within India and abroad also. There are a lot many technological innovations are coming up, but which is more important that how smartly you are using those technological innovations to make your company more profitable, more productive. And what I mean that we should have a sustainable growth. Without smart way of using the technology, you can't do it. So this time we have decided that with all our partners, we'll show that customers that what way they can use our technology more smartly in terms of cutting parameters, in terms of selecting the accessories, in terms of selecting the process. So it is all about smartness and which make us profitable.
So this year you have partnered with 14 global leaders. So what do you think that and why partnerships is so crucial for organizing the events?
Yeah, well, if you see that machine tool, only one machine cannot do 100%. A machine can perform with all the accessories. And I personally believe that it's not only the machine, how you are using the machine with all the peripherals, the accessories is very important. So these are our partners, globally renowned partners. They have their expertise in their field and they have some of the unique features, unique product, unique profile, which will be helpful for our machine to perform better. So it's very important to have a right partner to perform much better way. And when you are talking about smart, so you need to have a smart partner, smart technology to use on a smart machine.
So sir, how can industry professionals attend and get benefits from this event?
It's all about our customers only. Those visitors we are expecting across the country, mainly from Pune, but I could see that a lot of registration is happening across the country. And I think that once customer will visit us, when they witness the live demonstration, and also we will be having some seminars also where we will be highlighting some of the specific product features. So with all these things, it will be a great event for our customers. Customer will learn that it's not only the machine along with the cutting tool, cutting oil, then the cam, then the fixturing, then work holding, all together is a 360 degree. I also call it 360 degree innovations. Means 360 degree way you have to get the machine equipped with the right product and right accessories to make the machine more efficient. So I'm sure that customer will get 360 degree reviews of machining.
Thank you so much, sir, for this amazing interview and the discussion.
I hope that a lot of registration started. I request all of our customers, those who have not done yet, please register quickly because we have a limited seats or availability. So we would like to get you all on those days, 15th April and 16th April. See you there.